Sigana nero ndiye Kisii robo gototigara samangana rengete siasa anemeye county ya Kisii yokoligie kirogo kyobo governor se county ya Kisii goterase kyama kya ODM Simba Arati nigobona ganiro mu governor we county ya Kisii James Ongwae koerera sobwagale engana yabetaka okolekana litukule igoro nigo chinga kiechi Arati anyarega kumuchi Ongwae asoko mumugani na sensemo yesegi ya siasa na kuburia Ongwae anyara komwerera sobwagale ninki bakubuna ekerokelisia Sagendrete ko bwatanse omulikito Brighton Makoli na roboti rwa senchira yoboikirano
ebirengerelyo aho nigo bwendete kwenekiwa ase county ya Kisii anenekero jibura burija nyarati kwenekiwa segeti kya Gusii stadium aburit kurigoro ekero murai gosomokonyi wa mobwasi miuro moja matakarua nyarati ka utarire county ya Kisii babwatani bakomoko bokoyo goliekero kyo bugabana se county ya Kisii weterase kya magyo DM Simba Arati nigo bono bamochirie ekore kwasiba deruna nigo yalengo bosoko bonene go chia segesa ku kyo Gusii.
What happened yesterday is unfortunate. It is unfortunate because there was a preamble, the terrible incident that would have happened yesterday, other than the dimension of the tear gas. All the people believed to have orchestrated the assassination yesterday.
Bakorawa no yokuriekero kyobo chumbe asebunge yabo basi Davidson Onuso nigobona babodiribuna mugabana we county ya Kisii James Ongwae na manyete ningigererete linganiriko korekana segeti kya Gusii stadium.
Can Mr. Ongwae explain the conspicuous absence of other gubernatorial aspirants who had earlier issued a common statement at ATC pledging that they will be there?
Boigoni go bambori Ongwae kumwari baga Simba Arati elikwegeriekero ga senjera yobotoereru.
About a year and a half now, we have seen consistent strategy by Mr. Ongwae to create violence and then finally blame them on Honorable Simba Arati. We hope that the investigating agencies will finally hold Mr. Ongwae and his co-conspirators to account for the unfortunate chaos that happened yesterday.
And I want to challenge him. Proceed with what you are doing. Simba is going to be the next governor of Kisii County.
Asensemo yaye Simba Arati nigatebiruna nigo bugima bwaye bono bore asa kongu ekero arodebuna bali bakumubunige siasa nigo bandete kuri bugima bwaye.
Ongwae nkyotaete komite. Ongwae nkinago koleire. Ongwae nkyota wanjira na nchemenye emyaka inyike emyaka waike. Nesenge ncho tata talinge ken. Nesenge ncho mama talinge ken. Esenge ncho nalinge umutaka. Ongwae kwagambire emyaka iko. Ongwae nkieke ogakoleteke bewobwete ngatogo service nkeroreka.
Boigo yokoriekero kyobo senator se county ya Kisii Richard Monyonga nere nigateruna ekorwe kyonyo kyalenge kyobo soku asatabiruna abarendi mbatakire ko korobo tukibosaine kohenekya ingigerete ngane gokorekana.
What happened yesterday is unfortunate. It is unfortunate because there was a preamble to what happened yesterday.
I want to ask the government to take care of my life. Because I know I've gotten enough threats, and particularly from the outgoing governor.
Wikabono ni gomunya nyimbo yomo abikuru byara oyogendete kuringoliwa erinde kumanyikana ngikirete kolekyo kokorekana segeti igya Gusii stadium aburitko ligoro. Kulipota ligeta seni Ndizi TV kurwa se county ya Kisii ridhariane Brighton Makoli.